Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic HTML. So let's get started. Which HTML5 element is used to specify the main content of a document that is unique to that specific page? The correct answer is option A, main. Which attribute is used in a form input to ensure the user provides information before submitting? The correct answer is option B, required. In an HTML table, which attribute is used to make a cell span across multiple columns? The correct answer is option C, call span. What is the primary purpose of the alt attribute in an IMG tag? The correct answer is option D, to provide alternative text for screen readers and if the image fails to load. Which attribute of the video tag is used to display a placeholder image while the video is downloading? The correct answer is option A, poster. To open a hyperlink in a new browser tab, which value should be assigned to the target attribute? The correct answer is option B, _blink. Which meta tag is standard for ensuring the character encoding of an HTML5 document is set to UTF-8? The correct answer is option C, meta charset equals UTF-8. If you want an ordered list, OL, to begin numbering from the number 5, which attribute should you use? The correct answer is option D, start equals 5. Which attribute can be added to a frame to restrict the capabilities of the embedded content for security reasons? The correct answer is option A, sandbox. Which HTML element acts as a container for a disclosure widget that can be toggled open or closed? The correct answer is option B, details. What is the difference between the value and placeholder attributes in a text input field? The correct answer is option C, value is the actual data of the field, placeholder is a hint shown when the field is empty. Which global attribute is used to make an HTML element's content editable by the user? The correct answer is option D, content editable. When using the script tag, which attribute ensures the script is executed only after the entire HTML document has been parsed? The correct answer is option A, defer. Which tag is used to define text with strong importance, typically displayed in bold by browsers? The correct answer is option B, strong. Which HTML5 element provides a suggested list of options for an input element while still allowing custom entries? The correct answer is option C, data list. What is the correct syntax for creating a link that opens the user's email client? The correct answer is option D, a ref equals mailtotest@example.com. Which element is used to provide multiple source versions of an image to allow the browser to choose the best one based on screen size? The correct answer is option A, picture. Which of the following is true regarding the placement of the tfoot element in an HTML table? The correct answer is option B. In HTML5, it can appear either before or after body, but logically represents the footer. Which input type is specifically designed for a slider control to select a numeric value within a range? The correct answer is option C, type equals range. Which attribute provides a small pop-up tooltip when a user hovers their mouse over an element? The correct answer is option D, title. What is the primary difference between Canvas and SVG? The correct answer is option A. Canvas is pixel-based, raster, while SVG is vector-based. Which meta tag property is crucial for making a website responsive on mobile devices? The correct answer is option B. Name equals viewport. Which input type should be used to ensure a mobile device displays a numeric keypad for entering a phone number? The correct answer is option C, type equals tell. Which attribute is used to tell search engines not to follow or pass authority to a specific link? The correct answer is option D, rel equals nofollow. Which attribute allows you to specify the order in which elements receive focus when the tab key is pressed? The correct answer is option A, tab index. In a form, which tag is used to provide a caption or title for a field set? The correct answer is option B, legend. Which attribute must be added to the audio tag to allow the user to play, pause, and adjust volume? The correct answer is option C, controls. Which attribute is used to reverse the numbering of an ordered list? The correct answer is option D, reversed. The address element is specifically intended to provide contact information for. The correct answer is option A, the author or owner of the document or article. Which attribute is used to validate an input field against a specific regular expression, regex? The correct answer is option B, pattern. Thank you for watching.